Welcome to the Lean Kitchen. Imagine your kitchen as a production line, producing delicious meals efficiently. Lean manufacturing principles can help streamline your kitchen operations, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Let's explore how to apply these principles to your everyday cooking. First, let's identify waste in the kitchen. The 7 wastes, or Muda, include overproduction, inventory, motion, waiting, defects, transportation, and overprocessing. Can you think of any examples of these in your everyday cooking activities? For example, cooking too much food or holding on to expired ingredients. These wastes can slow us down and create frustration. Next, visualize your waste patterns. Use a simple checklist or a visual map to track waste in your kitchen. This will help you see where improvements can be made and make your cooking process much smoother. Now, let's eliminate waste through kitchen organization. Optimize your workspace by organizing your kitchen for efficiency. Group related items together and create designated zones for cooking, prepping, and cleaning. This simple step can save you a lot of time. Implement FIFO, or first in, first out for your ingredients. Store older items in front to prevent waste. Also, minimize motion by designating a landing zone for groceries. Keep frequently used items within easy reach to avoid unnecessary movements. Let's talk about streamlined cooking techniques. Master recipe planning by preparing meals ahead of time. Create a shopping list to minimize impulse purchases. Batch cooking is also a great way to prepare ingredients in bulk. Although batching in general is not a lean practice, preparing ingredients and freezing them in small portions will reduce waste and save you time. Finally, simplify your recipes. Opt for those that require fewer steps and ingredients. This not only reduces waste, but also increases your efficiency in the kitchen. So what are the benefits of these lean kitchen practices? Reduced food waste saves you money and helps the environment. Increased efficiency means you can cook faster and enjoy more free time. And most importantly, you'll have a more enjoyable cooking experience, free from stress and frustration. To learn more about Lean, visit emsstrategies.com and join us to receive free resources.